Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today we are going to be looking at one important application you should know as a graphic designer, especially those ones that are using smartphone to design their flyers. So apart from using Pixel Art, I stumbled on this design software and I so much like it, so I made up my mind to show you the amazing features this design software has. So it is called DesignX. So if you head over to your Play Store, here is the design. The design is amazing. Okay, so you have the template and you have a lot of things to look at. So now let's open it and look at it. So when you open the application, here is where you sign in, where you add your maybe company name or your logo. Okay, so once you click on that, you can add them here. You can just head over to this place and add. If you have not had any, once you click on it, it will require your email and everything. You sign up, that is it. So this design works both offline and online, so you can use it, right? So that is the benefit of this design software. Like unlike Canva, that you can only use data to work on it. So now we have new design here. We have online design. Online design is where you get templates and design. This is where you start your project newly. So this is where you see your project after you are done, where the past projects you have done already. Okay, this is where you get tutorials, and this is their folders, your folder that you have created, and the context. So now these are samples of recent templates. So you can click on see all and you see a lot of templates. You can see a lot of templates that you can use it, and they are very captivating. You can see they are very captivating. You don't have to struggle. So you come here and you make good use of them. So you can see posts. You see they are so much inspiring. Then you see flyers. You can see they are so much inspiring. You can even come here to get inspiration on the next design to do. You can come here to get inspiration. Apart from designing, you can come here to get inspiration. So you see here CVs. This is wow. So you see, this is wonderful. So if you want to create a new design, simply click on this plus icon and then you choose your style. So you can decide to choose a style from here. Add a style, like add your custom size here. Then you can also choose from here. You see it has already template where you want to. It has A4, it has a portrait, video, every TikTok. It has for TikTok, it has for later page and everything. You can see it has of Pinterest. If you want to create a design for Pinterest, you don't have to suffer. Just come here and choose the template. It has for WhatsApp status. It has for, guys, this is amazing, CV and resume. It has a lot, even for banners, letterhead and everything. It has, you get. So I'm going to choose this square one by one, so you don't have to worry about anything. So now once you click on it, it's going to open here where you are. Here is gallery, where you can pick your, if you have a background to work on, you can choose it here. If you need to search for any picture online, you check it here. If you have on your folder the things you have uploaded already, you pick it here. If you want to add text, you pick it here. If you want to add a page border, if you need a page border, maybe you are designing something like let me say certificate, and you need a page border, you can choose it there. So if you need to draw, you choose it there. You need a table, guys, this is wonderful. If you need PNG images, you pick it here. If you need shapes, you pick it here. Logos, you need to pick it there. If you need backgrounds, you pick it there. Special text, you pick it there. So guys, what are you looking for again? This is wonderful. So now this is on this other side. So like, let me click on this. It takes you straight to your gallery where you can select your image and import them inside here. Guys, you see, this is looking great. So to resize this, simply just click on this to resize it. Click on it, then drag it here. You resize it. So now let me go back and then show us something. I'm going to choose this. So now let's see if you need a logo. So you see you have a lot of logos, fictional logos. You have a lot of logos to use for your design. It makes, especially if you are just working on a fictional project, you can just come here, choose a logo and work with it. This software is wonderful. This software wonderful. So let me for example, let me choose this. Maybe I want to work with this logo. Just reduce the size, place it here. Reduce the size, keep it here. So guys, now let's look at what this other side has. So we see here layers, like the layers in Pixel Lab where you can lock it. See here pages, then we see here undo, we see here save where you can save your design, and then we have this where you can come and access other things. So now we have in down here resize, where you can resize the screen. So this is wonderful, where you can resize the screen. We have the transparency background, we have color background if you want to add color to your background. We have zoom if you want to zoom in. We have delete all. So if you want to add anything, just come here to that plus icon and add anything you want to add here. So let me say I want to add a special text. So you see, if I say I want to add a special text, let me add this. So if you want to start, you see, this is great. This is great. What else are you looking for? So now let's come here. You see, layers. So now let me shock you with one thing. For example, let me delete this and delete. Okay, before I click, and let me show you one thing here. You see down here we have the deselect, we have the resize, then we have border, we have shadow. This is for this highlighted element. This element I just highlight. So we have shadow where you can add shadow. This is where you can duplicate it, you see. So, and we have other ways of duplicating this. You can just click on this, click. Here is where I click. When you click on this, click it, you will see this plus icon down the thing. So once you click on it, you can see here copy. Can you see copy? So when you copy, it has copied this particular thing. So let me delete this and show you something. Now I've copied it. Now let me come here. I copy. If I click on that plus icon again, I will see paste, because there is copy. I've copied something already. So if I paste it, it will paste. You can see it has paste. As simple as that. You can see it has paste. So you copy design. So this is wonderful. You can copy your design and just copy it and save it there. You get? So if I want to paste again, as long as I can paste it, you get? I can paste it as many as I want, you get? So now they have the opacity where you reduce and increase your opacity. You have color for gradients, you have patterns and a lot. Okay, so here before I talk on this place, let me delete this. Let me delete that and import okay, let me import an image from the gallery. So let's say I want to use this image. So let's say I want to use this image. To take this, I want to take that other one to the front. So how will I do it? Just simply like Pixel Lab, you can come to this layer and click on the one you want to take it up. Just click on it and hold. You see, this is the place, this arrow that is face up and down. So click on it and hold. Okay, so let me lock this, so you can lock that so that it will move, and then me lock this logo. And so let me pause off there. So now I'm clicking on this and I want to resize it small, so I'm putting it there. So now I want to show you one thing, blend, how to blend. So to blend, you see this Pixel Lab doesn't have this, okay, and this is very so you can use this to do mockup, to do your mockup. You can use this to do a lot of things. So we have here normal, multiply, screen, overlay, darken, lightening, color, dodge, color, burn, add a lot of them, okay, saturation. So if you use screen, if you use multiply, so simply add it to. So let me show you one thing, especially let me go to layers and delete them. Okay, let me just hide them. Let me just hide and then import. So guys, I don't know how many of us used to see this in some people's design, but here is how to do it here perfectly well. For example, now you want to add some kind of light effect to that image, to this image, right? You want to add some light effect. This is where I normally do it perfectly well, though there is another application, but I just stumbled on this and I just love it. Okay, so you know, you can do it on Pixel Lab too, but you just have to go to that extra mile of trying to be creative when doing it. But here you just, as you import this, you know, normally you can download it from this thing, from Pinterest and every other where you download resources. So now to just add the lightning effect, just highlight it like this, then come to this blend. Once you come to blending, you use screen. You can you see what happened there? That screen removed that black part of it. You can see what happened there. Can you see? So now you can see I just added it to the image and it's looking perfectly well. So if I want to reduce the opacity, can come here, reduce the opacity, add it. You can see it's looking so sweet. I can as well copy it and then paste it. You get, I've copy and paste. So guys, you can see it's looking fine, it's looking very well. So let me know what you feel about the application in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about the application in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button so that you can be notified by YouTube. Click on the notification bell too, okay, so that you can be notified by YouTube each time I post a variable video just like this. So guys, let me know what you feel about the application, if you are going to use it for your next design project, and if there is anything you still want me to do concerning this application. If there is anything you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to respond to that. With all of that, okay, so let me see you in our next video tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.